You're not going to always have a supporting cast with you. Not everyone is going to stand with you. Not everyone is going to support your ideas or your dreams. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, you just got to stand alone. You got to go after it with your own mindset. You have to be truthful to who you are inside. Sometimes you just got to do it alone. When you're standing on your own 2 feet and the storm is coming in, you still got to stand. When it starts to get too tough for you and you don't seem to have the mental capacity to fight through the pain and the agony, you still got to stand. And sometimes you just got to stand alone. But being alone doesn't mean that you are all by yourself. It means that there's still something connected to you. You have some unique qualities that are attached to you, but do you have the ability to wake them up? We all have unique gifts. We all have special talents. We are born to do great things. Not everybody is going to stand with you. Not everybody is going to support you. Not everybody is going to be by your side. So when you're standing alone, make sure you stand with a pure heart, with a great mindset, with faith, with understanding that you do have something that you must do. Being alone gives you power from time to time. It does not mean that you are in it by yourself for a long time, but just enough for you to be able to rectify something within you. And when the time comes for you to get out and show out, there's nothing that can stop you. Because you have developed something within you that no one has ever seen, maybe no one would ever understand. But as long as you understand it, then you keep going. You keep trusting. You keep believing.